Hey there, gardening enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a journey through the world of rock landscaping. Rocks aren't just a natural material. They're a versatile design element that can transform your outdoor space into a stunning, low-maintenance haven. Whether you have a small front yard or a sprawling backyard, there's a rock landscape idea out there for you. Before we delve into specific designs, let's explore the diverse world of rocks. River rocks, with their smooth, rounded shape, are perfect for creating a natural, flowing aesthetic. Fieldstones, with their irregular shapes and sizes, add a rustic charm to any space. Pebbles, small, smooth rocks, are ideal for achieving a clean, minimalist look. And let's not forget boulders, which can serve as striking focal points or add a dramatic touch. Large rocks or boulders can create a sense of permanence and strength while also helping to define the overall structure of the space. When thoughtfully placed, boulders can act as natural barriers, guiding the flow of foot traffic or framing specific areas within your yard. You don't need a lot of space to create a beautiful rock landscape. For small front yards, consider a rock garden. Fill a raised bed with a variety of rocks, plants, and even a small water feature for a touch of tranquility. Or create a rock path leading to your front door. This simple yet effective design can add visual interest and define your space, guiding visitors while enhancing the overall flow of your landscape. A well-designed rock path can also complement the natural elements in your yard, creating a harmonious transition between your garden and the entrance of your home. You can choose from a variety of stone types and patterns, allowing for a custom look that reflects your personal style and adds a rustic, elegant, or modern touch to your outdoor space. If you have a larger backyard, you have even more options to incorporate creative and eye-catching features. A rock waterfall can be a stunning focal point, transforming your yard into a tranquil retreat with the soothing sound of flowing water. It's easier to create than you might think. Simply stack rocks to form the waterfall structure and add a pump to circulate the water, creating a continuous, peaceful flow. You can also integrate the waterfall with surrounding plants, gravel, or decorative stones to further enhance its natural look, making it a serene escape right in your own backyard. Or create a rock patio for outdoor dining and entertaining. A rock patio is durable, low maintenance, and can be customized to fit your style. Rocks can also be used to create privacy in your backyard, blending natural beauty with functionality. A rock wall not only serves as a stunning architectural feature, but it can also block out noise and shield your yard from prying eyes. To soften the hard edges of the rock, consider adding tall grasses, shrubs, or even climbing plants in front of the wall, which will enhance both privacy and the overall aesthetic by adding layers of texture and greenery. Additionally, the combination of stone and foliage creates a balanced, natural look that feels both enclosed and inviting. If you're looking to create a peaceful, meditative space, a Zen garden is a great option. Zen gardens typically feature rocks, sand, and a few carefully placed plants. The goal is to create a simple, minimalist design that promotes relaxation and contemplation. For those with a modern aesthetic, rock landscaping can still be incorporated. Consider using large, angular rocks to create a clean, geometric look. Or combine rocks with sleek, modern plants for a contemporary feel. If you live near the coast, you can incorporate beach-inspired elements into your rock landscape. Use seashells, driftwood, and other coastal materials to complement your rock features. Now that you have some inspiration, let's talk about how to create a harmonious rock landscape. Consider the overall style of your home and garden when selecting rocks. For example, if your home has a rustic style, you might choose fieldstones or river rocks. If your home is more modern, you might opt for larger, angular rocks. Another important factor to consider is the size and shape of your outdoor space. A small front yard might benefit from a more minimalist design, while a larger backyard can accommodate more elaborate features. Finally, don't forget about the plants. The right plants can complement your rock landscape and add color and texture. Choose plants that are well suited to your climate and soil conditions. Rock landscaping offers endless possibilities for creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space. Whether you're looking to add a touch of natural beauty to your front yard or create a peaceful retreat in your backyard, rocks are a versatile and durable material to work with. So, get inspired and start planning your rock landscape today. Thanks for watching. Let us know which rock landscaping design was your favorite in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.